Here in this video, I will show you best export settings for Instagram video in Premiere Pro. First of all, open the video in your timeline, then go to sequence settings. In here, frame size, horizontal give 1080 and vertical give 90/20, and make sure your aspect ratio is 9:16. Then click here and select square pixels 1, and fields, select here no fields, and display format, select FPS according to your video. Then click on OK. Click on OK. And now select the video clip, go to effect controls, select scale, and you have to adjust your video with your sequence or project size, just like this. After that, it's time to render the video for Instagram, right? So go to File, Export, and click on Media, or you can press Ctrl+M to open this export window. Here, format, select H.264, and preset, I'm selecting match source high bitrate. And here, if you want to export audio also, then make sure to check audio option. Then come to this video section, and here scroll down, and under bitrate settings, click on bitrate encoding, and here select VBR2 pass, and target bitrate, select here 5, and maximum bitrate, select 10 Mbps. Now all you have to need, click on export, and the video will export with best settings for our Instagram video. Thanks for watching.